Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will show how to withdraw XRP from Coinbase. Open your Coinbase app and sign in, then tap Portfolio and locate XRP. Verify your account has no holds and confirm XRP withdrawals are allowed for your region. Copy the external wallet address and the destination tag or memo exactly, then return to Coinbase to start the withdrawal process and double-check all details before confirming. First, set up an external wallet that explicitly supports XRP and securely store the recovery phrase offline. Open the wallet app, find the Receive XRP option, and copy both the wallet address and the destination tag or memo exactly as shown. I recommend sending a small test amount to confirm the address and tag are correct before moving larger sums to avoid irreversible mistakes and potential loss of funds. Back in Coinbase, choose XRP and tap Withdraw or Send, then paste the external wallet address and input the destination tag or memo exactly. Enter the amount you want to move and check the fee and estimated arrival time. Confirm all details carefully and authorize the withdrawal with two-factor authentication if prompted. Watch the transaction status and verify the small test arrived before sending any larger amounts to ensure a smooth.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.